Hello everyone and welcome to online session of subject Electronics 2. In this session we will discuss about logic gates. Logic gates are the basic circuits of digital electronic systems. Logic gate is an electronic circuit which has one or more inputs but only one output. Logic gates can be constructed by using simple switches, diodes or transistors. There are three basic logic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. There are other types of logic gates also. NAND gate and NOR gate are called as universal logic gate, and XOR gate and XNOR gate, they are called as derived gates. So here you can see AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate are known as basic logic gates. NAND gate and NOR gate are known as universal logic gates, and XOR gate and XNOR gate are known as derived gates. First we will see OR gate. OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives high output if one or more of its inputs are high. A plus sign is used to show OR operation. So here you can see symbol of OR gate. This is output equation of OR gate and this is truth table of OR gate. OR gate is used for addition of two inputs. Here in the truth table you can see that if any one input is 1, then its output is 1. If all inputs are 0, then only its output is 0. This is switching circuit of OR gate. Two switches are connected in parallel. If any one switch is closed, then current flows through it and lamp will glow. Lamp will be off only when both switches are open. If A is high or B is high, then Y is high. This is the logic of OR gate. Now we will see AND gate. AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives high output only if all its inputs are high. A dot is used to show the AND operation. So in this equation you can see that Y is equal to A into B. This is the output equation of AND gate. Here you can see inputs are A and B. So output Y is equal to A into B. This is symbol of AND gate and this is truth table of AND gate. In the truth table you can see these are all possible input conditions. Its output is 1 only when all inputs are 1. When any one input is 0, its output is 0. So this is truth table of AND gate. Here you can see switching circuit of AND gate. Here two switches are connected in series. So when both switches are closed, then only lamp will glow. If any one switch is open, then current will not flow through it and lamp will be off. The logic of AND gate is if A is high and B is high, then only Y is high. NOT gate has one input and one output. It is an electronic circuit that produces an inverted version of the input at its output. That's why this is known as inverter. If the input is A, the output is complement of A, which is A bar. So this is output equation of NOT gate. Y is equal to A bar. This is symbol of NOT gate and this is truth table of NOT gate. So here you can see that if input A is 0, then output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. This is switching circuit of NOT gate. So here you can see here switch is in parallel with lamp. If switch is open, then lamp will glow, and if switch is closed, then lamp will not glow. The logic of NOT gate is, if A is high, then output Y is low, and if input A is low, then output is high. NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate, where AND gate is followed by a NOT gate. The output of NAND gate is high if any one of the inputs is low. So here you can see output equation of NAND gate, Y is equal to A into B bar. This is symbol of NAND gate and this is truth table of NAND gate. The small circle shows inversion. So in NAND gate, if any one input is 0, its output is 1. When all inputs are 1, then only its output is 0. NOR gate is not OR gate, which is equal to OR gate followed by NOT gate. The outputs of NOR gate is low if any one of the inputs is high. So this is output equation of NOR gate. Y is equal to A plus B bar. So here inputs are A and B. So output is Y is equal to complement of A plus B, that is A plus B bar. This is symbol of NOR gate and this is truth table of NOR gate. So here in the truth table you can see that when all inputs are 0, then only its output is 1. If any one input is 1, then its output is 0. XOR gate is derived gate. It is constructed by using 3 basic logic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. XOR gate is a circuit which will give high output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. An encircled plus sign is used to show the XOR operation. So here you can see encircled plus sign. If inputs are A and B, then output Y is equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. This is output equation of XOR gate. This is symbol of XOR gate and this is truth table of XOR gate. So in the truth table you can see that if both inputs are 0 or both inputs are 1, then only its output is 0. So when both inputs are equal, then output is 0. Otherwise output will be 1. So in this diagram you can see how XOR gate is constructed using basic logic gates. So this is input A, this is input B. Here 2 AND gates and 2 NOT gates are used, and here 1 OR gate is used. So here you get input A, then B bar, A bar, B. This is output of AND gate, which is A into B bar. This is output of AND gate. Here you get A bar into B, and here OR gate is used. It adds these two inputs, so output is equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B. So this is truth table of XOR gate, and this is symbol of XOR gate, and this is construction of XOR gate. Now we will see XNOR gate. If NOT gate is connected at the output of XOR gate, then you will get XNOR gate. Here you can see the symbol of XNOR gate. A small circle shows inversion. This is output equation of XNOR gate. Y is equal to A into B bar plus A bar into B complete bar. This is truth table of XNOR gate. When both inputs are same, that is 0 0 or 1 1, then you will get high output. Otherwise, when one input is 0 and another one is 1, then you will get 0 output. So the logic of XOR gate is, it gives low output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. NAND gate and NOR gate are known as universal logic gates. Here you can see symbol, output equation and truth table of NAND gate, as well as you can see here symbol, output equation and truth table of NOR gate. So these are known as universal logic gates because we can construct all other gates using one or many NAND gates or NOR gates. We can construct OR gate, AND gate or NOT gate with the help of NAND gates only or NOR gates only. So they are known as universal logic gates. Here you can see how NAND gate is used as universal gate. So here you can see that NAND gate is used as NOT gate. By connecting its two inputs together, you will get output Y is equal to A bar. This is equivalent circuit of AND gate. So here you will get output Y is equal to A into B. And this is equivalent circuit of OR gate. So here you will get Y is equal to A plus B. So this is how we can construct basic logic gates using NAND gates. So here you can see that how NOR gate is used as universal gate. This is equivalent circuit of NOT gate. So NOR gate is converted here into NOT gate and you will get here output Y is equal to A bar. Here you can see that this is equivalent circuit of AND gate and here you will get output Y is equal to A into B. This is equivalent circuit of OR gate. So this is how NOR gate is used as OR gate and here you will get output Y is equal to A plus B.